Gidala na ang foreign fugitive nga si 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗀 sa Regional Trial Court sa Dumaguete City aron moatubang sa mga kaso batok kaniya. Gipasakaan og mga kaso nga malicious mischief, theft ug estafa ang maong langyaw. Kini gibutiyag ni Attorney Renan Oliva, Regional Director sa National Bureau of Investigations kon NBI.
He is now being brought to the Regional Trial Court in Dumaguete City. He was arrested at his home in Barangay Agos with his 2 wives.
Gawas sa iyang kaso sa Dumaguete, aduna sab siya kaso nga assault with deadly weapon sa Estados Unidos. Miingon si Oliva nga hingpit nga nadakpan si Okoji sa iyang pinuy-anan sa Barangay Agos, Dakbayan sa Lapu-Lapu sa miaging Biyernes, Hulyo 12. Sa pagkakaron, gipaubos na sab sa summary deportation proceeding ang pugante.
Friday, we conducted an operation. This operation was led by Supervising Agent 𝗚𝗏𝗏 Galendez, who arrested a fugitive from the United States. His name is Malik Dijon Okuji, as shown here. The arrest was made by virtue of a warrant of arrest issued by the Regional Trial Court, Branch 32 of Dumaguete City for robbery. This person was arrested in Barangay Agos, Lapu-Lapu City.
Kini si Ardeshir Morales, HNU Comm Intern alang sa My TV Cebu.